In today's video, I will walk you through how to find the next 100 times coins using Coinmarketcap. In this video, I will show you how to identify coins that can turn small investments into high returns, even 100 times or 1,000 times. This has happened before with Bitcoin, which started at just 1 cent and grew massively over time. Solana also saw strong growth, and early buyers benefited from its price increase due to proper research and fundamental analysis. On CoinMarketCap, the homepage shows trending coins, where you can see which tokens are moving up or down in real time. You can also view the Fear and Greed Index, which currently shows around 61% greed, indicating market sentiment. Below this section, you will find the full list of listed cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, and many others. Each page displays around 100 cryptocurrencies, and there are thousands of coins available across multiple pages, going up to over 8,000 listed assets. You can scroll through different pages to explore more coins and filter based on what you are looking for. Selecting a coin like Cardano, you can open its page to see detailed information such as current price, market cap changes, trading volume, and recent performance. For example, you can observe whether the market cap is increasing or decreasing over the last 24 hours, along with price movement and volume changes. Market cap is calculated by multiplying the price of a token by its circulating supply. This helps estimate the total value of a cryptocurrency. For example, multiplying price by circulating supply gives the market cap, while multiplying price by maximum supply gives the fully diluted market cap. After reviewing market data, you can check the About section, official website, and white paper to understand the project. You can also look into the founder information and research who created the token to verify credibility. Social media activity, such as Twitter, can also be checked to see community engagement and updates. To achieve potential gains like 100%, the market cap of a coin would need to double. For higher returns such as 1,000%, smaller market cap coins are usually considered because they can move faster with less capital inflow. However, coins around 100 million in market cap are generally more established, while extremely small market caps like 5 million can carry higher risk. This is why focusing on mid to lower market cap projects is often part of the analysis when searching for strong performers. Thank you for watching.